Project management software helps businesses and individuals plan projects, allocate and track project resources, schedule project timelines, assign tasks, and implement knowledge and ideas. This software also includes real-time collaboration tools such as live chat, whiteboards, document creators, mind maps, and proofing systems that automate project workflows and allow teams to work together seamlessly. The best project management software detects problems before they happen through detailed task management by tracking your project progress and individual tasks. This software notifies you when your project deadline is in danger of slipping. The right project management software for your personal or business needs automatically reflows your project schedule when tasks fall off track. They generate reports that give you insights into which team members have too much or too little work assigned, and even let you track project budgets, send invoices, and log billable hours to your clients for time worked. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the top 5 free project management software, exploring what they are and how we rate them based on their unique features and real-life customer feedback. Additionally, we will offer insights into how you can choose the right project management software for your business and tips for making the most out of your projects. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable alternative platform where you can get the best project managers who will help you launch, manage, and execute your projects seamlessly if you decide not to go about it yourself at all. So, stick with us until the end of the video to uncover the best 5 free project management software that are tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these software for free. Now let's dive in as we share with you the best 5 project management software currently available on the market right now. Number 5. Monday.com. Best project management software for marketing and sales teams. Monday.com is an outstanding project management platform, especially for marketing and sales teams seeking a visually driven, highly interactive workspace. Right from the start, Monday.com will impress you with its color-coded boards and dynamic dashboards that make it easy for you to visualize, monitor, and manage projects in real time. Its intuitive interface offers multiple view options like Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and calendar, so you can visualize tasks and deadlines exactly how you prefer. This visual organization not only enhances clarity, but also boosts engagement, keeping everyone aligned and motivated to meet project deadlines. When it comes to pricing, Monday.com offers a range of plans tailored to different business needs and team sizes. The individual plan, which is completely free, is ideal if you're working on solo projects or want a preview of the software. For small teams, the basic and standard plans include unlimited boards, timelines, and Gantt views, which are critical for managing complex marketing or sales campaigns. The Pro plan offers advanced integrations and automation features, while the Enterprise plan is ideal for larger corporations or teams with specialized needs. With Monday.com, you can track leads and conversions, customer touchpoints, and campaign performance, setting priority levels and deadlines with just a few clicks. The platform's automation options further enhance efficiency by letting you set alerts for milestone completion, task updates, or reminders. Ultimately, Monday.com combines visual appeal with marketing automation and CRM, making it an indispensable asset for marketing and sales teams looking to drive productivity and stay organized. Number 4. Nifty. Best for product teams and startups. Nifty is a powerful project management software crafted to easily support product teams and startups in achieving milestone-driven progress. Its goal-oriented roadmap planning provides a structured yet flexible approach to managing projects by focusing on milestones that are crucial for product development and launch. Right from the initial setup, you'll notice how Nifty seamlessly organizes your workflows around key objectives, keeping your team focused on reaching measurable goals. By aligning tasks with milestones, Nifty enables you to see both the big picture and the finer details of your projects, which is ideal for startups and product teams who need to stay agile while moving toward clearly defined outcomes. Nifty offers a completely free plan that gives you a risk-free introduction to the software's core capabilities. For growing teams, the Starter and Pro plans offer unlimited projects and collaborative tools, especially if you're working closely with external stakeholders or want to streamline repetitive workflows. The other plans include the Business and the Unlimited plans. By breaking down projects into milestones and enabling you to visualize progress, Nifty helps keep your team aligned with long-term goals. Nifty helps you link each project milestone with specific tasks, allowing you to track dependencies and stay aware of potential bottlenecks, making Nifty an invaluable asset for teams that need both structure and flexibility to bring their product visions to life. Number 3. ClickUp. Best for software developers and business agencies. ClickUp is an exceptionally versatile project management software that is ideal for developers and business agencies needing comprehensive task and project management. With ClickUp, you can manage everything from simple tasks to complex, multi-step projects within one unified workspace. ClickUp's extensive view options, including List, Board, Gantt, and Calendar, give you the flexibility to manage tasks in a way that best fits your team's workflow, especially for developers handling complex builds or agencies juggling multiple client projects. Additionally, ClickUp's task dependencies, custom fields, and robust time tracking ensure that your team can keep track of detailed requirements, timelines, and resource allocation. ClickUp offers several plans that cater to diverse team needs and budgets, giving you options as your organization grows. The free forever plan is generous with unlimited tasks and members, making it a great entry point for small teams or freelancers. The unlimited and business plans enhance collaboration and workload management, which are critical tools for developers and agencies managing multi-phase projects. For large enterprises requiring additional security, the Enterprise plan provides a tailored solution. ClickUp's advanced task customization lets you set custom statuses, create subtasks, and assign priority levels, enabling you to manage complex projects without losing sight of individual elements. Its automation options save time on repetitive tasks, while its time-tracking tools provide insight into where efforts are being allocated, especially for agencies managing billable hours. For developers, ClickUp's ability to track sprints, manage bug reports, and view task dependencies makes it a natural fit for software development. Overall, ClickUp's robust customizable task management empowers teams to work efficiently and stay aligned with project goals, making it a top choice for those who need a powerful, all-in-one project management software. Number 2. Notion. Best for creative teams and freelancers. Notion is a unique project management software perfect for creative teams like content creators, music and art teams, and freelancers who value a fully customizable workspace. As soon as you dive into Notion, you'll find that it's designed with flexibility at its core, allowing you to build your project space exactly as you envision it. With Notion's all-in-one workspace customization, you can combine task lists, documents, databases, and even Wrike into a single platform that evolves with your projects. This adaptability makes Notion ideal for creative teams, where every project might have a slightly different workflow or structure. Whether you're organizing a brainstorming session, planning content, or tracking project milestones, Notion lets you set it up seamlessly, turning your workspace into a true reflection of your team's style and needs. Notion's free plan offers a generous feature set, including basic templates, task tracking, and limited file uploads, which is perfect for personal use or small-scale projects. The Plus and Business plans offer unlimited file uploads and team member management, making it a practical choice for freelancers and creative teams needing a more collaborative structure. The Enterprise plan provides advanced security options, ensuring the scalability required by larger creative firms. Notion's modular blocks also allow you to arrange tasks in a way that best supports your creative process, so you're not limited by rigid templates. This flexibility is invaluable for freelancers who need to balance multiple projects with unique demands, or for creative teams who thrive in a dynamic workspace. Number 1. Wrike. Best overall project management software for all teams and project types. Recognized for its robust task and resource management capabilities, Wrike stands out as the best project management software for virtually any team or project type. Whether you're managing a small project or overseeing complex workflows across departments, Wrike's powerful task management tools allow you to organize, prioritize, and monitor tasks with ease. Additionally, Wrike's resource management features enable you to assign tasks based on team availability and skill set, ensuring that workloads remain balanced and deadlines are met efficiently. Wrike's free plan includes basic task management and file sharing features, making it ideal for individuals or small teams that are just starting out. The team plan provides more robust capabilities for growing teams that need to coordinate more complex projects. The business plan is where Wrike truly shines, offering custom workflows, request forms, and time tracking features which are essential tools for mid-sized teams or agencies that handle multiple high-stakes projects. For higher security, you can consider either the Enterprise or the Pinnacle plans. Wrike's seamless integrations with tools like Salesforce, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams further enhance productivity, helping you centralize project data and communication in one place. Ultimately, Wrike's strength lies in its ability to scale with your projects, providing a structured yet flexible framework that supports a wide range of industries, project types, and team sizes, making it a go-to solution for organizations looking to optimize efficiency across all aspects of project management. In addition, if you need an expert-vetted project manager who can bring structure and expertise to your project without the hassle of learning complex project management tools, Fiverr is a prime marketplace to explore. Fiverr hosts experienced freelancers who specialize in various project management functions, including task planning, resource allocation, timeline creation, risk assessment, budget management, and performance tracking. Many project managers on Fiverr are proficient in popular software like Notion, Monday.com, and ClickUp, allowing them to handle your project seamlessly while adapting to your preferred tools if needed. Fiverr's transparent profiles, complete with reviews, portfolios, and detailed service descriptions, let you quickly identify professionals with the exact expertise you need, all within your budget. Additionally, Fiverr's secure payment system ensures you only pay for approved work, so you can confidently outsource essential project management tasks without breaking the bank. In conclusion, when choosing the best project management software, you will need to consider options that align with your specific project needs and goals. The right project management software for your needs should provide the right balance of automation, customization, and reporting to help you and your team stay organized and meet deadlines. By carefully evaluating your team's needs, you can select a solution that empowers you to manage resources efficiently, track project progress, and achieve success on every project. You can check the link in the description below to try any of this project management software for free, or even consider hiring a skilled and certified project manager on Fiverr. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.